Tired of boring, static product photos? Want to add that professional touch to your videos without breaking the bank? Let me introduce you to the Fileto 360-degree motorized turntable display stand. This little powerhouse is packed with features. First, it's incredibly compact, just 5.4 inches in diameter and 1.4 inches tall, weighing only 0.3 kilograms. But don't let the size fool you, it handles up to 6.6 pounds with ease. The best part? You get complete control with 3 speed settings, 10, 15, or 30 seconds per rotation. Plus 4 angle options, 45, 90, 180, or full 360-degree rotation. Perfect for capturing exactly the shot you need. Whether you're a photographer, content creator, or just want to showcase your products at events, this turntable handles it all. Watches, jewelry, cosmetics, digital products, collectibles, you name it, this stand displays it beautifully. One of my favorite features? It's whisper quiet. Seriously, the motor runs so smoothly and silently that it won't interfere with your video audio. Your product takes center stage, not distracting background noise. Setup is ridiculously simple. One button controls everything: power on, switch speeds, adjust angles, power off. No complicated instructions, no tech headaches. Just plug it in or pop in some batteries and you're ready to go. Quick tip: don't use batteries and USB power simultaneously, it'll extend your turntable's lifespan. And if you're displaying heavier items, make sure they're balanced and under that 6.6 pound limit. For under $20, the Fileto rotating display stand is a game changer for product photography and videography. Small, powerful, and incredibly versatile, it's exactly what content creators need. Questions? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.